Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Tom。
我係 Joseph Ling. And let's talk about tourism today because I read in an article they ranked the competitiveness of tourism of different countries all over the world. Taiwan is ranked number 4 in Asia as far as competitiveness of tourism. And that's not too bad. It's just behind Hong Kong, Singapore, and Japan. 其实仅次于的国家就是香港、新加坡还有日本。So let's talk more about tourism here in Taiwan. And I think the top 3 places for people to visit, and again, if you're new in town, this is why you listen to ICRT. We tell you things like this. But in Hakka for this round. 其实我觉得台湾大家来观光啊，最喜欢跑的3个地方呢，就是故宫博物院、太鲁阁还有日月潭，对不对？Okay, it's the National Palace Museum, the Taroko Gorge, and the Sun Moon Lake are still the top 3. So let's teach how to say that in Hakka. 第一个，故宫博物院。
故宮博物院。
故宮。
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 博物院。
博物院。Okay, that's the National Palace Museum. Now, the Taroko Gorge, 太鲁閣呢？
太魯閣。
加魯啦，哈。太魯閣。Okay, that's the Taroko Gorge. And finally, the Sun Moon Lake. It's beautiful.
日月潭。
日月潭. Okay, that's Sun Moon Lake. And just for your information, the top 5 countries in the world that have the most competitive tourism are Switzerland, 瑞士.
瑞士.
瑞士, okay. 奥地利, Austria.
奧地利.
奥地利. 德国, Germany.
德國.
油炸粿, 德國. 什麼粿?
德國.
德國. 就是德國. That's Germany. 冰島, Iceland.
冰島.
吃粿了，今晚來冰島。什麼？冰島。冰島啊！
冰島。
就是冰島。哎，好好笑，好好玩哦。冰島 that's Iceland. And finally, the US of A.
米果。
然後要吃個米果，我們就完成我們的大餐了，對不對？米果。為什麼哈卡聽起來都在吃東西呢？
嘿，你肚子搖，
我肚子搖，真的。They all sound like food to me, but they're countries. Okay, all right, that does it for today's Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.